Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "your save data could not be downloaded from the Rockstar Cloud servers" error in GTA 5 on PC. This annoying error can prevent you from accessing your progress, but don't worry, I'll guide you through some simple solutions to get you back in the game. Let's get started. Check Rockstar server status. Visit the Rockstar support website. Look for any official announcements or service status updates regarding GTA Online or the Rockstar Cloud servers. If there are known outages or maintenance, you'll have to wait for the services to come back online. Delete local profile and re-download. Open the Rockstar Games launcher. Go to Settings. Select GTA 5. Under Launcher Settings, click Account Information. Click Delete Local Profile. Confirm the deletion. Restart the Rockstar Games launcher. This will recreate your local profile and attempt to download your save data from the cloud again. 3. Enable cloud saves, if not already. Open the Rockstar Games launcher. Go to Settings. Select GTA 5. Make sure Enable Cloud Saves is checked. Verify game files. Launch the Rockstar Games launcher. Go to Settings. Select the game you want to verify, GTA 5. Click Verify Game Files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing game files that could be interfering with cloud saves. Check internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent proper communication with the Rockstar servers. Try restarting your router or modem if necessary. 6. Disable firewall or antivirus temporarily. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes, these programs can mistakenly block the game's connection to the Rockstar servers. Note: re-enable your security measures after troubleshooting. 7. Update graphics drivers. Update your graphics card drivers. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download the latest drivers for your graphics card. 8. Reinstall Social Club. Uninstall and reinstall the Rockstar Games Social Club. This can help resolve issues related to the platform that handles cloud saves and online interactions. 9. Contact Rockstar Support. If none of the above solutions work, contact Rockstar Support directly. They may be able to provide more specific assistance or investigate potential server-side issues. If you've tried these steps and are still encountering the error, it's possible there's an issue with your Rockstar Games account or the cloud save system itself. In such cases, contacting Rockstar Support is the best course of action. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you fix the "your save data could not be downloaded" error in GTA 5. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to assist you further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more GTA 5 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!